Think your Ford can't last beyond 200,000 miles? Think again. With the right care and some old-school secrets, your Ford, whether it's a sedan, SUV, or truck, can comfortably go over 1 million miles. I'm RJ, a Ford mechanic for over 20 years, and today I'm sharing time-tested tips straight from the shop to help you avoid costly repairs, save thousands, and get more life out of your ride. Hi, I'm RJ. I've been working on Fords for more than 20 years, from classic Mustangs to the latest F-150s and everything in between. Over the years, I've seen the good, the bad, and the costly mistakes Ford owners make. I'm here to help you steer clear of those with down-to-earth, sensible maintenance tips that have kept my customers' Fords running strong for hundreds of thousands of miles. Let's dive in. Engine oil is more than just fluid. It's the lifeblood that keeps every moving part in your Ford engine lubricated, cool, and protected from wear and tear. I can't stress enough how many engines I've seen prematurely fail because owners skipped or stretched their oil changes too far. Those particles and contaminants build up, causing grinding and early wear. Always follow Ford's recommended service schedule based on your specific model, year, and engine type. However, don't blindly trust mileage alone. The way you drive matters. If you do lots of stop-and-go city traffic, short trips under 10 minutes, or drive in dusty environments, you'll want to change the oil more often, sometimes every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. When changing oil, never cheap out on quality. Use Ford-approved synthetic oils and always replace them with a genuine filter. Cheaper oils might save you a few bucks up front, but can't protect your engine as effectively, leading to sludge buildup, clogged passages, and lost horsepower. I've seen engines rebound from early signs of sludge simply by switching to the right oil and keeping a strict change schedule. It's that powerful. It's also a good idea to check your oil at least once a month. Pull the dipstick and look at the color and texture. Fresh oil is golden and smooth. If it's dark and thick or smells burnt, it's past time for a change, no matter the odometer. This small habit is a game changer, keeping you ahead of engine damage and major repairs. Your Ford's cooling system is critical. Engines run hot, especially during towing or hot climates common in many parts of the U.S. Overheating is a common engine killer I deal with daily. Most problems start with neglected coolant. Flush and replace your coolant per Ford schedule, usually every 2 years or about every 30,000 miles. Old coolant loses its anti-corrosion properties. Hoses become brittle and more prone to leaks. Routinely inspect radiator hoses and clamps, especially around the engine and radiator. Even a slow coolant leak can cause overheating, damaging cylinder heads and the head gasket, which cost thousands to fix. Brake fluid, power steering fluid, and transmission fluid are often overlooked, but essential. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, reducing braking power and corroding components. Replace every 2 years or as Ford recommends. Power steering fluid keeps that steering smooth and responsive. It needs to be clean, not dark or sludgy. Transmission fluid keeps your gears shifting smooth. Old or low fluid can cause slippage, overheating, and costly repairs, so replace it regularly. Take the time to check all your fluid levels monthly and top them off as needed. Keeping these fluids fresh and at proper levels is one of the best investments in longevity you can make. Your Ford's belts and hoses may seem like minor components, but they're the backbone keeping your engine systems running smoothly. Ignoring worn belts causes unexpected breakdowns that have stranded many drivers alone on the road. The serpentine belt powers your alternator, water pump, power steering, and more, all critical systems to keep your Ford moving and safe. Replace serpentine belts every 50,000 to 70,000 miles or sooner if you hear squealing noises or notice cracks or fraying. Don't wait for the belt to snap. That usually causes the battery to die, engine to overheat, and power steering to fail all at once. Check hoses for cracks, bulges, soft spots, or leaks regularly, especially in older Fords. Hoses carry coolant and vacuum pressure. A burst hose can lead to overheating or engine stalling. Replacing these parts on a schedule, even before you see damage, ensures peace of mind and prevents costly emergency repairs. Many Ford owners experience rough or hesitant transmission shifts, especially on older or high-mileage vehicles. Rather than rushing to expensive repairs, there's a simple, overlooked maintenance trick that often fixes this issue: resetting the transmission's adaptive learning. Here's what I do in my shop. With the Ford stopped and your foot firmly pressing the brake, slowly shift through all the gears in order: park, reverse, neutral, drive, holding each gear for approximately 5 seconds. This process helps the transmission relearn proper shift timing and smooths out shifting issues caused by wear or irregular driving conditions. After completing the sequence, take your Ford on a short test drive. You should immediately feel that silky smooth shift you paid for when you bought that vehicle. It's an easy fix that saves hundreds, if not thousands, by avoiding premature replacement or transmission rebuilds. Your Ford's intake system, including throttle body, intake valves, and mass airflow sensor, plays a vital role in managing airflow to the engine. Over time, carbon buildup and dirt reduce airflow and choke your engine's ability to burn fuel efficiently. Ignoring this leads to rough idling, misfires, sluggish acceleration, and increased fuel consumption. I recommend cleaning the intake system every 25,000 to 30,000 miles. For many Ford models, this is in sync with air filter changes. You don't want to wait for symptoms. Regular cleaning prevents performance drops and extends engine life. If you notice your engine running rough or the check engine light for a misfire, intake cleaning might be the fix before more complicated repairs become necessary. Your fuel injectors spray a fine mist of gasoline for combustion. Over time, dirt and deposits clog these injectors, causing your Ford to hesitate, stall, or stumble. Using a quality fuel injector cleaner regularly, or having a professional clean the system every 30,000 miles, restores smooth fuel flow and responsive acceleration. This relatively inexpensive upkeep reduces fuel waste, emissions, and helps prevent expensive fuel system repairs. Keep your injectors clean and your Ford will thank you with smooth, reliable performance. Freezing temperatures put extra stress on your Ford's battery and starter motor, often leading to hard starts or no start at all. Here's a trick I learned from seasoned Ford techs in colder states. Before cranking your engine on icy mornings, flip on your headlights for about 10 to 15 seconds. This draws a small load from the battery, waking it up so it can deliver stronger starting power. If the starter doesn't engage immediately, don't crank repeatedly. Instead, switch off the key and wait about 15 seconds to let the starter cool down, then try again. Constant cranking overheats and damages starter motors, leading to premature failures. Following these steps extends battery and starter life, saving you money and frustration in harsh weather. Your tires are the only contact patch between your Ford and the road. Proper tire maintenance directly impacts safety, fuel efficiency, and ride comfort. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles or at every oil change. This keeps tread wear even and extends tire life. Also, balance your tires regularly. Unbalanced tires cause vibrations and uneven wear. Don't guess tire pressure. Check it monthly with a tire gauge. Underinflated tires decrease mileage and can cause blowouts. Overinflated ones result in harsh rides and uneven tread wear. Using genuine Ford parts instead of aftermarket alternatives is essential to maintaining your Ford's reliability and performance over the long haul. OEM parts are specifically designed and engineered by Ford to meet rigorous quality standards and to fit perfectly with your vehicle's systems. This means you avoid issues like premature wear, poor performance, or compatibility problems that can result from poorly fitting aftermarket parts. While aftermarket parts might seem less expensive, the hidden costs often come from faster wear, potential system failures, or extra labor due to fitment problems. OEM parts help keep your Ford running like it did when new and maintain your vehicle's warranty and resale value. In my experience, investing upfront in genuine parts saves thousands on avoidable repairs later. So when it's time for replacements, go Ford. Japanese cars last an incredibly long time thanks to rigorous inspections every few years that catch potential problems early. You can borrow this approach by scheduling a comprehensive inspection at least every 6 to 12 months to keep your Ford in top shape. This regular checkup should include evaluating belts and hoses for wear or cracks, inspecting brake pads and rotors for remaining thickness and performance, checking fluid levels and for contaminants, measuring tire tread depth, and ensuring all lights and signals function properly. Early detection allows you to address small problems before they escalate into costly breakdowns or unsafe conditions. Consider setting reminders and developing a checklist to keep your inspections thorough and consistent. Your Ford's longevity depends on proactive care. Scratches and scuffs are bound to happen over time, whether it's a stray shopping cart in the parking lot, branches brushing against your vehicle during a trip, or just the everyday wear and tear that comes with driving. While high-end paint shops do a phenomenal job, their rates can be quite steep, often costing hundreds of dollars for what might be a minor cosmetic issue. Fortunately, many of these surface blemishes can be addressed at home using a few simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective methods involving common household items. One of the easiest and most popular remedies involves baking soda, a pantry staple with gentle abrasive properties. The trick is to turn baking soda into a thick paste by mixing it with water. This paste acts as a mild abrasive that can effectively buff out minor scratches without harming your Ford's paint job. Here's how you do it. Take a soft microfiber cloth. This is critical because rough or abrasive materials can actually worsen the scratches. Dip the cloth into the baking soda paste and then gently work it into the scratches using small circular motions for about 30 seconds. These motions help break down the tiny ridges that form at the scratch, leveling the surface gradually. After this, wipe the area with a clean, damp cloth to remove the paste residue. But the process doesn't end there. For that added punch of shine and to temporarily conceal the scratch even more, take another clean microfiber cloth and apply a tiny drop of olive oil to it. Gently buff the area in small circles. The oil fills in the microscopic valleys where light could catch and make the scratch noticeable, giving your paint a uniform glow. I've recommended this simple method countless times to customers whose minor scratches have been virtually erased, all without the expense of professional touch-up jobs. This approach not only saves money but also empowers you to maintain your Ford's appearance between professional detailing jobs. Plus, keeping your vehicle's finish in good shape is more than just about looks. It actually helps protect the underlying metal from corrosion and rust, maintaining your Ford's value over time. A reliable battery is the unsung hero powering your Ford's electronics and ensuring your vehicle starts every time. However, like all batteries, they degrade over time. Without proper care, you could be stuck with a dead battery at the worst possible moment. Think freezing winter mornings or a long trip. Maintaining your battery's health is straightforward but essential. First, conduct routine inspections of the battery terminals about once a month. Corrosion, visible as a white, powdery, or greenish crust at the terminal connection, can drastically reduce the battery's ability to deliver power. When you spot corrosion, clean it by mixing baking soda with water to neutralize acids, then use a wire brush to gently scrub away buildup. After cleaning, rinse with water and dry before reconnecting the terminals to ensure solid electrical contact. If your battery is already 4 or more years old, it's wise to test its voltage and cold cranking amps annually. Many local auto parts stores offer this service free or for a small fee. These tests provide a clear picture of your battery's remaining life. Proactively replacing a weak battery prevents inconvenient and potentially dangerous breakdowns. For those living in colder climates, consider parking your Ford in a garage to keep the battery warmer. Battery warmers, or trickle chargers, are great investments as they maintain optimal battery temperature and charge levels, significantly extending battery life. Your brakes are literally your life's safety net on the road, and their health must never be overlooked. Brake fluid is a key component, but it's also a silent villain, absorbing moisture over time, which can lead to reduced braking power and corrosive damage inside the braking system. This is why Ford recommends replacing brake fluid every 2 years. Don't just think of it as routine maintenance, it's about ensuring optimal brake performance when you need it most. Brake pads and rotors require regular inspection, ideally every 10,000 miles or immediately if you notice any symptoms. Squealing noises, a vibrating brake pedal, or increased stopping distances are red flags. Worn brake pads can lead to damage to the rotor surfaces, driving repair costs through the roof. Routine checks and timely replacements ensure your braking system performs as designed, providing confidence and safety every time you hit the pedal. A dirty, clogged air filter chokes your Ford's engine by restricting the airflow necessary for efficient combustion. This restriction causes an overly rich fuel mixture, leading to poor gas mileage, sluggish acceleration, and increased engine wear. Replacing your air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or more frequently in urban or dusty environments, is a small task that yields substantial benefits. Many newer Ford models provide electronic alerts when the filter needs changing, but don't solely rely on these. Incorporate manual checks into your regular service routine to ensure your engine breathes clean, fresh air. Your Ford's shocks and struts absorb unwanted road bumps, stabilize your vehicle, and keep your tires in firm contact with the road surface. When worn, you might feel a bouncy ride, excessive vehicle roll around corners, or even notice uneven tire wear. Inspect your suspension components every 50,000 miles or sooner if you detect increased road noise, rough rides, or steering issues. Replacing aging shocks and struts improves ride comfort, enhances braking performance, and enhances the life of your tires and other suspension parts, ensuring safe handling in all driving conditions. Remember, suspension isn't just about comfort, it plays a crucial role in vehicle control and safety. Imagine getting a flat tire only to discover your spare is flat too, or worse, missing the jack and tools necessary to change it. This scenario can turn a minor inconvenience into a major headache. Regularly check the pressure and condition of your spare tire. A little preventative maintenance here is your assurance that you're ready for the unexpected. Additionally, keep your jack, lug wrench, and emergency tools clean and in good working order. Investing in a roadside emergency kit complete with safety lights, gloves, and a reflective vest prepares you for roadside safety and peace of mind. Road grime, brake dust, and especially winter road salt can eat away at your Ford's paint, accelerating corrosion and rust. Regular washing removes these harsh elements, maintaining your Ford's finish and protecting the underlying metal. Waxing twice a year adds a protective barrier against environmental damage, preserves the paint's shine, and makes future cleanings easier. Beyond aesthetics, this care maintains your Ford's resale value by preventing costly corrosion-related body repairs. Finally, how you drive impacts your Ford's longevity. Sudden acceleration, hard braking, and overloading introduce unnecessary wear on your engine, transmission, brakes, and suspension. Avoid prolonged idling to reduce engine wear and fuel consumption. Shift gears smoothly, don't overload beyond your Ford's rated capacity, and try to avoid rough or unpaved terrain unless your vehicle is equipped for it. Smart, responsible driving preserves almost every component in your Ford, improves fuel economy, and saves money over the long haul. If you're finding these tips helpful, please hit the like button. It helps me keep bringing you honest, practical advice for Ford owners like you. Stick with these old school secrets and your Ford can run strong well past 1,000,000 miles. Subscribe to Ford Scope for more real-world maintenance tips. In the next video, I'll uncover a serious warning for all Ford owners. Avoid using this engine oil right now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.